Is the drive letter not available on your Windows? Then here's how to fix it. First up, you can use the Windows Registry Editor to solve the problem by yourself. All you have to do is open regedit, click the application to open the Registry Editor, use either the panel on the left or the address field at the top, then navigate to the following. And then in the list of assigned devices, right-click the one you want to change, then select Rename. Now you can change the drive letter to any other unused letter to free up the one being used. After that, close the Registry Editor and then restart your computer. Now if you prefer not to mess around with the registry directly, you can use something like AOMEI Partition Assistant Standard. Now the free version has limited tools, but this will let you reassign drive letters. So once you have downloaded the application, open the Partition Assistant app, find the drive you want to reassign in the main window, right-click on the drive, select Advanced, choose Change Drive Letter from the menu, and then in the New panel, use the drop-down menu to select a new and unused drive letter. Once done, you can now click OK and then confirm the operation on the next screen. Now it may take a few seconds to process the change. You can then return to the main screen, find the drive to which you want to assign that released letter, then repeat the process. So that's how you can fix if your drive letter is not available on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.